In a remote corner of Armenia where connectivity seemed like a distant dream, a remarkable story of determination and innovation unfolded. Join us today as we explore how a rural community came together to build their own internet, bridging the digital divide and transforming their lives. Welcome to Unseen Connections: How a Rural Community in Armenia Built Their Own Internet. Armenia, a land of ancient traditions and breathtaking landscapes. Beyond its vibrant capital city Yerevan lies a hidden gem, a small rural community that took matters into their own hands to connect with the world. Let's step into their journey. In a rural community where dreams were held back, education suffered, and opportunities were limited, a shared frustration emerged: the absence of reliable internet. The residents yearned for connectivity that could bridge the gap between their aspirations and the digital world. Determined to change their circumstances, they united, pooling their resources and knowledge to tackle the challenge head-on. With unwavering resolve, they embarked on a journey to build their own internet network from scratch. Their determination was fueled by the belief that they could shape their own future. Little did they know that their efforts would bring about a transformation, opening doors to knowledge, empowering individuals, and expanding horizons beyond imagination. Realizing they couldn't rely on others, the community understood that taking charge was the key to shaping their own destiny. They refused to wait passively for a solution to their problem. Instead, they took decisive action, understanding that their future lay in their own hands. This self-empowerment fueled their determination and became the catalyst for a remarkable journey of building their own internet, transforming their lives and creating opportunities where none existed before. With a shared purpose, the villagers joined forces, combining their resources, expertise, and unwavering determination. Collaborating through endless discussions, they crafted a comprehensive strategy to construct a network that would link their home schools and businesses. Their united efforts showcased the power of community as they harnessed their collective strength to overcome obstacles and pave the way for a connected future. Together, they turned their vision into a reality, building a network that would transform their lives and empower their entire community. Days turned into nights, and with sheer determination, they built their own network from scratch. The obstacles were many, but their resolve was unyielding. And then on that remarkable day, the village was forever changed. With the flip of a switch, the digital world opened up before their eyes. The internet became their bridge to knowledge, opportunity, and connection. Community Member 1: I can now pursue my passion for online learning. The internet has opened doors to a world of knowledge I never thought I could access. Community Member 2: our businesses have flourished since we gained online visibility. We can now sell our unique products to customers around the world. The impact of their achievement rippled through the community, empowering individuals and fostering growth. But their story doesn't end here. Realizing the power of their accomplishment, the community decided to pay it forward. They established training programs to equip their youth with digital skills, ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. Today, these young minds are not limited by their geography. They have the tools and knowledge to dream big and shape their own destinies. The remarkable journey of this rural community in Armenia has caught the attention of the world. They have become an inspiration for other remote areas facing similar challenges. From a community bound by mountains to a community connected to the world, this is the story of how a rural community in Armenia built their own internet. They defied the odds, proving that when people come together, no challenge is insurmountable. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Together, let's celebrate the power of connectivity. Until next time, stay connected and keep dreaming big.